Hey everybody, Bruce Elagord here, and by now you've probably launched Visual Studio Code and we're wondering how to do a couple things to make it your very own. So the first thing I want to show you is how to select a color theme. Right now this is the standard color theme that comes with Visual Studio Code, but let's say I move my mouse down here to the lower left-hand corner and I click on the gear. You'll notice that you have the option in the pop-up menu for color theme. So let me click that. And now you have all of these different color themes that you can use. I'm on the GitHub dark default, but if you want to go to a light color theme, right? Or let me just do it again to say a solarized light, right? These are all themes that you may find may help create an environment for you to be, better at coding, all right? Because when you're staring at a screen for a while, you're going to want to make sure that, eye fatigue doesn't kick in and stuff like that. So choose a color theme and make Visual Studio Code your own. I'm going to go back to my color theme, GitHub Dark, all right? So the next thing that you want to be able to do is to change the font sizes, right? Within the editor or within the terminal. You may find them quite small, or maybe you want them smaller. So again, I'm going to head back to the gear and I'm going to go to settings here in the pop-up menu, settings. And then here I'm going to choose font size. Actually, I'm not selecting, I'm typing in font size. And you see right here where it says editor, mine is set to 24. If you want to make it, I'll change mine to 18, right? That's it. That's all you do. And if you go back and you close this now, actually, if you go back to a program you're working on, like I was right here, notice how the font size is smaller. Let me just do that one more time. So under the settings, if I change this to Biggie size, 48, look how large the font size is now. So find a font size and again, make Visual Studio Code your very own, all right? I'm a visually impaired person and I need to see things quite large. All right, so that's the editor. How do we increase or make the font size smaller in the terminal? Well, we go back to that settings window, right? Settings. We're going to get rid of font size, and maybe we'll type terminal font size. All right, there we go. And here it says terminal font size. See this right here, the first option? Mine is set to 30. Look down here in the terminal. See that right there? And if I make this say 12, right? See how it goes back to the smaller font size? And if I go, say, to 48, which is really big, right? Notice how large it is. Again, I hope these little tips and tricks help you and will make your coding experiences, whether it's CS50X, CS50P, CS50W, or any other use of Visual Studio Code for that matter, more enjoyable and more productive. This has been Bruce. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe and like this video. Have a great day.